This is the new Rolls-Royce Cullinan tuned by Mansory. As is usual with Mansory, the luxury SUV receives an aggressive body kit made of full carbon, which is available in several designs and can also be painted in a different color on request. Larger air inlets in the front apron in conjunction with the lightweight carbon bonnet give the distinguished SUV a much more dynamic face. The new layout of the standard daytime running lights was also extended into the area of the front apron and mirrored to the middle. This light layout, which is only interrupted in the middle, in conjunction with the radiator grille illuminated from the inside, gives Cullinan an impressive but at the same time elegant appearance, especially at night. The flanks and rear were also redesigned. Newly modeled side skirts in conjunction with new flaps on the front and rear wheel arches calm the airflow on the flanks and make the vehicle appear lower and more stretched than its series counterpart. To reduce the lift forces on the rear axle, the Mansory designers mount an elegant spoiler lip on the original tailgate and adapt it optically to the rear apron, which has also been redesigned. The new Cullinan also gets a performance increase, which includes an engine upgrade and a high-performance sports exhaust system with flap control, which is being offered for the first time in two versions, a two-pipe system with centrally mounted and hexagonal tailpipes, or a four-pipe system with side tailpipes. The V12 engine now makes 720 horsepower and 1,050 Newton-meters of torque. This shortens the sprint from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour to just 4.8 seconds. The top speed remains electronically limited to 250 kilometers per hour. Guys, if you like our video, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.